Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get bank statement for Republic Bank Online. So for that you need to open up the official website of Republic Online, and over here click on login and select the category as per your requirements or your account. After that, provide your username and password to login, and after logging into your account, click on my products on the left hand side panel, and over here you will be redirected to this page where you will be able to see your checking account, savings account, credit card. Just open up any of the account for which you want to see this statement. After that, click on statements on the top, and this way you would be able to see all the statements related to that particular account. And if you further click on three dots right beside a particular statement, you would be able to download the PDF for that statement. And this is how you get bank statements for Republic Online. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.